Hey everybody, today we have us a new toy. You know what this is?
A Blackstone Griddle.
A Blackstone Griddle. We bought a 36-inch. We've already cooked on it a few times and loved it. This is the new one with the rear grease management system, and we'll do a review on that at another time, so be sure to look out for that video coming up soon. And but today we're going to try something we've been wanting to try, and we love these things, but we want to try them on the griddle. Normally we do them on the grill, and they always are good on the grill, so we're going to try them on the griddle today. You know what we're cooking?
Sausage dogs.
Italian sausage dogs. We even have some bell peppers and some onions that we're going to saute up. Got a homemade basting pan. I'll go over that in a little bit. So let's get to griddling. We got the Blackstone all heated up now. We're going to add some peppers and onions to the grill. Michael here, one of the crazy kids, is going to start flipping it around. While that's cooking, while he's doing that, we're going to put some sausages on here. Pretty Italian sausage. Get this cooked up a little bit. So what we're going to do now is get all this together here. Just kind of let the little char get on these peppers and onions. Man, I wish you could smell this. Smells good, don't it, Michael? All right, we'll let that cook just a minute there. Let them sausages get to going. It sure does look good. I'm gonna tell you what, it smells even better. And we're cooking all this over about a medium heat. What we're gonna do is we got some buns over here. We're gonna toast them here just a little bit. I'm gonna tell you what, we've only cooked on this Blackstone, I don't know, 2 or 3 times so far. And everything we have cooked on it so far has been excellent. And you don't have to be a master chef to cook on one of these. That's what's amazing about it. It's just so easy, and the food is so delicious. And I'm not getting paid to say this, I'm just being honest with you. All right, let's flip these sausage dogs. Let's turn them over now. Michael's gonna turn them over for us. Yeah, just turn them over. That's just like that. Just like that. Let's put them back in. We're gonna cover these peppers and onions up here in just a minute. They're looking good, Michael? Now, Michael said we need some jalapenos in this, and I'm not against that. But for the most part, most people like it like this. Now, if you want to throw some jalapenos in there, or some other kind of peppers, or maybe some banana peppers, or cowhorn peppers, or something like that, hey, go for it. This is the way we kind of thought about doing ours. It was the first time we really ever made these. First time we've ever done it on a griddle. So what we'll do now is to get these good and soft and get them done. Put them in a pile like that. Get that cover down there, Mike. Now this cover here is just a cake pan from Walmart. We just put a handle on it from the hardware department, and it makes a great basting pan. Add a little water, and look at that, it works. Great dome. We did that one, and we did a little larger one. We used a lasagna pan, but we don't need it for today's cook. What we'll do now is these sausages, kind of turn them up, try to turn them up on the end. There we go. Let them cook a little bit on the end. Here, just a little bit, we'll put them buns on here. Now let's check these peppers and onions. Oh, look at that. Them things are cooking good. Oh, man, the smell. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Wow. It's so soft and tender already. Amazing. Let's move these over a little bit. Take us some butter. Rub all over it. Take us some buns. Let's toast up some buns. Get them good and toasted. Man, I'm gaining weight just by smelling this. It smells so good. Got us brightening up the bread. Got it looking good. A few more minutes and this is gonna be done. Okay. Let's take this bread up. It's toasted now. It's time to plate this stuff up. Make good toast for breakfast in the morning, wouldn't it? All right, dress your dogs however you want to dress them. What we're gonna do is just put this sausage dog on each one of them here. Peppers and onions. On each one. And if you happen to have any peppers and onions left over, they go good just on a toasted bun by themselves. Yeah, it sure does look messy, but I'm gonna tell you what, this is gonna be good. Look at that. There you go. Sausage dogs, Italian sausage dogs on the Blackstone Griddle. Now Marcus will go ahead and take them inside. I'm gonna take the rest of these peppers up, put them on a bun to eat too. And if you don't mind, how about hit that like button down there below, the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe because now we got the Blackstone Griddle, we got our smoker, we got our charcoal grill, hey, all kind of amusement parks coming up. Who knows, no telling where we'll be, what we'll be doing, who we'll see. There's no telling. Be sure not to miss out on anything we do. Now, while y'all checking out our other videos, we're gonna go inside and eat. See you next time.